everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you what I purchased on Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. So this is going to be a very short haul, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. Before watching guys, please don't forget to like this video, and also if you're someone new and looking at me for the first time, hi, my name is Ramya. I make beauty and lifestyle content, so if you're interested, please do subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I just received a couple of parcels, so I'm going to unbox right now in front of you. Looks like a necklace. The first item is from the luxe category. As you can clearly see, this is from the brand Formula 10.0.6. Okay, it's a new brand, so first time I'm hearing about this particular brand. So this is their Deep Down Detox Ultra Cleansing Mud Mask with orange and bergamot. This is a kind of a detox mask, that's what they say. I'm yet to use it. As you can clearly see, I just unboxed it. So if you want to know the review, I would upload as a shorts, or you can also follow me on my Instagram. I upload a reel every day. Follow me on my Instagram handle. Don't worry guys, all the prices and the discounted price will be flashed on the screen. So the next item which I unboxed is this Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder, and this is something I wanted to try for a very long time. I saw this on discount, so I bought it. So this is said to be a mattifying powder which is very translucent and do not leave any white cast. That's what I saw. But I'm yet to try this. I have high expectations for this particular product. The other orders arrived early, so I already unboxed certain items and I started using certain items. So if I have used that item, I would pop a screenshot for you. So in the third box I have these two things. These are Paradise hair color. This is the Paradise 100% gray coverage hair tint. This is in the shade natural black. I bought this for my parents, whereas I wanted to have a new look to my hair, so I finally got in and bought this one, the Paradise Glossy Hair Tint, and it's in the shade Cherry Coke. So you can expect a transformation video very soon. The next item I have over here is from Hyphen. I wanted to try their lip balm for a very long time because I've heard very good reviews about them. I've also seen people compare it to Rhode lip mask or lip balm. So yeah, I was very excited to try this, and my first impressions while using this was it's an okay kind of lip balm guys, because if you see, someone who always uses Laneige for almost 2 years right now. I started using Laneige a long ago, and I kept repurchasing Laneige for a very long time. You can't compare this product to Laneige sleeping mask. This is something which you can use for hydrating your lips. That's what I felt. That's just my first impressions, but later if something changes, I'll let you know. The next item is nothing but just came in a damaged condition for some reason, not sure why. This is their Dot and Key Strawberry Dew in the Spotlight Strobe Cream. So this is also something which I had on my wish list for a very long time. This came quite a while back, I think, but guys, let me be honest, I used it today. This is how my skin looks like. I did not find this like an extraordinary kind of product, but I liked it as a illuminating moisturizer, you can say. It has a quite a bit of fragrance like a strawberry ice cream, which I am not a fan of. And if you see, like, you can't call this a strobe cream guys, it's just a moisturizer with a little bit of shimmer in it. You can't see the shimmer though, that's a good point. Whereas this as a strobe cream, I don't think I will use it. But if you want to go out and you're not going to wear any kind of makeup, you just want to have a dewy look, then fine. Next item I got is this one. This is the Conscious Chemist Daily Dissolve Ultra Light Oil Cleanser. This is how it looks like. It says it contains 100% natural origin plant oils, and also gently removes waterproof makeup and impurities. This is what it claims. I hope it does it, because I was in lookout for a nice oil cleanser. The last oil cleanser I used was from Face Shop. I really love that, but this time I just wanted to try something different, because if you see, the Face Shop one literally burns my eyes when I try to remove my mascara with it. So I had to buy a different kind of cleanser for my eye makeup. I'm not sure how it's gonna be. I have high expectations again. The next item I have is a new launch by Nivea. This is their Derma Skin Clear Chemical Exfoliator. It's like more like a, what to say, kind of a moisturizer, I suppose. This says visibly clearer skin in 7 days. That's a huge claim. And if you see, it has 8% salicylic if you see, it has 8% salicylic acid and glycolic acid with niacinamide. I have good expectations for this. So let's see. I didn't start using it, so I'm not sure how it's gonna come out. So since I bought this, I got this one free. This is their aloe hydration body lotion from Nivea again. The next item I got is a restock, which is nothing but from Venus. This is the Gillette Venus Smooth Combo Pack. It has 2 refill blades, and also this particular thing comes with a blade. So I think it has 3 cartridges, you can say. I use for shaving my body. I generally don't go for waxes. I used to wax before, but I don't feel good after waxing. It gives me a lot of rashes and bumps, so I stopped doing that and I went for shaving. We have just a couple of products, and as for makeup, I did not buy so much makeup this time. Like, I did not even buy makeup this time because I think I have enough makeup in my vanity and I don't want to waste everything and throw away after expiry. So I thought, okay, let me complete all of these and then buy makeup. But lipsticks are my weakness, and I gave in to buy just one lipstick for me, and it ended up like a failure, massive failure, guys. This is from the brand Daily Life Forever 52. This is a sensational lip this is a sensational lip, that's it. Okay, so this is basically a liquid lipstick, and this has been in my wish list for almost an year, to be frank. I didn't buy this one for a very long time, and this time I saw this on some discount, so I thought, okay, let's give it a try. But the shade I picked was a massive disaster. Like, you can see it on my lips, it looks like a beautiful nude, right? But this is not the shade which this gave. I had to mix it with my lip liner and make it look like this. Can't use it by itself. Let me show you the shade. And this is the swatch, so you can see it, right? Let me show you. From the swatch itself, it's literally clear that, see, you can't see anything right now. It is literally clear that it's not going to suit me and my skin tone. It was washing me out like crazy. Got to tell you the shade name. The shade name is SSL001. Don't buy this shade, guys. Don't buy this shade because it will not suit you, guys. If you're a extremely fair skin tone, maybe this looks good on you. Otherwise, it isn't a great shade for our Indian skin tone, I can say. For maximum skin tone, this will not be an ideal shade. Last but not the least, let's take some care of my hair. For that, I repurchased this. This is my Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner. You would have seen me recommend this particular product on my recommendations as well. This literally works. So I am 100% sure that it will work for you as well. You can try this product, guys. This is not sponsored. None of my videos are sponsored. Everything I bought from my own money. By the way, I should have told this before. So yeah, Love Beauty and Planet 100% works. It makes your hair very manageable. So this is the variant Argan Oil and Lavender. This is for the smoothing and serene kind of hair. So yeah, it does what it says. It smoothens my hair and makes my frizz tameable. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. See you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.